Hi.
Hello, how are you today?
Yeah, doing well. And you? What
I'm okay, thank you.
are you doing?
I was working.
Okay, okay.
What else would I be doing? Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
exactly.
tell me, what did you do today?
I today nothing interesting
Okay.
as usual. It goes as usual.
Oh, okay. Actually, me too. I watched TV and I took a nap. I didn't do anything today.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
just started working. Like, this is my second class.
Oh. And
Okay.
yeah, I want to know that a nap means sleep during day.
Yeah, it's a short time of
Short
sleep
sleep. Okay.
during the day.
Okay. And did you enjoy my videos that I upload on YouTube?
The videos with me?
Yes.
Yeah, I saw. Remember? I even commented.
Oh yeah. And are you astonished that they are binge waiting for your comment?
Oh yeah, I know. That's why I commented. Otherwise, I wasn't gonna comment this time. So, for example, if your friends were going skydiving, would you go?
Oh my God. Yeah, nowadays, actually, if I get a chance, I wish for doing skydiving or scuba diving like that. But
Yeah.
not like that. But scuba diving is underwater, and skydiving is
I know.
above water, over water. So yeah, definitely I go for that nowadays. If someone offered me.
Yeah, I would too. But I don't have any, like, none of my friends would, and I am a little afraid, so I don't want to do it by myself. But if I had a friend that would, I would go, of course.
Yes.
Oh.
And
Oh, I was
and
gonna
yeah.
ask you. Oh, what?
Oh no, please.
No, please, you go.
Yeah, if I have a that is I want to share a important topic, that is do you notice that in 2020, in this year, positive is totally negative.
What is negative?
Positive is totally negative.
What do you mean? Positive is totally negative.
Can you assume?
Can I assume?
Yeah, can you assume that?
Like anything
why
that's
positive?
positive
Why
is negative?
Yeah, something is positive, but it is considered as negative, totally negative.
Like, for example, skydiving?
No, skydiving is really funny.
Give me an example.
It is COVID positive.
Okay. So, but do you mean like activities?
No. Something.
I'm confused.
Okay. I think you can answer it if I explain it freely.
Okay, explain it.
Okay, that is COVID positive. If you have COVID positive, if you tested COVID positive, then all assume that you that is negative, right? If nobody
like
wants to
negative
be
thing in
tested
life?
positive.
So being corona positive is like being like, it's like a negative thing in life.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, nobody wants tested to COVID positive. So everyone get rid of that corona. So that is the thing, that something like that. Okay. It is poor joke, right?
All right, this was totally random, but yeah, you're totally right. It is a very negative thing that I don't want to ever experience.
Yeah, exactly. So that is positive thing. The positive thing is.
Have you tested positive? Like.
Not at all.
Oh no, not you either. Okay, but like, for example, a lot of people you know, have they been tested positive?
Yeah, in my area, 2 people tested positive. Earlier, 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago in my area.
That's it. Okay, so like everyone I know almost has been infected with corona, from my sister to my cousins, like everyone, my friends. Maybe because I'm from New York, I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I want to ask one thing, that
okay.
What is the Yeah, what is the traditional breakfast in New York?
In New York, it's a
Yeah.
bagel.
Oh,
Bagel
can
or
you type
pancake.
that?
Yeah, I'll send you a picture. Okay, so a bagel with like anything inside, usually cream cheese or butter, or cream cheese with jelly, or butter with jelly, or like a bacon, egg, and cheese, or just an egg and cheese, or just an egg.
Okay.
But it's delicious. There are all different kinds of bagels. We have sesame bagels, poppy bagels, everything bagels. They're delicious. Let me send
Do
you
you
a
do you
picture.
do you have it today?
Pardon me?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Do you have it today?
Yeah, I ate today. Here it's 3:30. Of course I ate. I ate twice.
My God, great.
Look, these are bagels, okay? It's coming. Hold on. I wonder if you have this in your country.
Let's see.
Okay, I'm trying to. It's so slow right now.
Yeah, exactly. So. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, so these are bagels. Do you basically, like, for example, you see this right here?
Oh,
Yeah,
I see. It is like sambara here called sambar.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I see.
So basically, this is just the bread, and then you cut it open and you put whatever you want. Usually in the morning it's cream cheese or butter.
Okay.
And I miss them so much. Oh, look, they have vegan also. Vegan.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Oh.
I see. So how many bagels do you have eaten at a time?
Oh, you want to know? Oh, this is so bad. I can have 3 bagels.
Only?
What do you? Bagels are like good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I think that.
it's like good.
Oh, I see. I think that it is like this.
No.
That's okay.
It's like this size. Okay, like this size, and then it's thick. When you cut it open, you put something inside.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Great.
Okay, so I was going to ask you about your lunch.
Oh, lunch.
Is it mixed
Lunch.
lunch?
Okay. Here that is thali. 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 Thali.
P like Peter?
No. It is thali.
Yes?
Yeah. This is generally. Yeah, this is really heavy dish, and it includes rice, pulse. You can see that
What is the second thing you said? You said rice and then
pulse, dal.
what is that? Can you write it down?
Okay. Can you get?
No, I didn't. Oh, pulse. What is that?
It is like dal.
What is dal?
Oh, like you can Google it.
Okay.
Then you can.
Which one is it? Which color? Tell me which color.
Yes, yellow color. Yellow color is dal.
This?
Yes, exactly.
What is it?
It contains a lot of various types of dal. That is pea or I can't understand.
Various types of dal. That's it. I can't understand. What? Hold on. Let me see if I can translate it in English. Is it a vegetable?
Hey, lentis. Yeah, lentis.
Oh, lentil.
It is lentis.
Okay. Okay. Oh, so it's red lentil. This one.
Yeah, yellow. Lentis is.
Usually, when you make that soup, it comes out this color. Like this color lentil becomes like.
Yeah.
If you don't put like tomato paste in it, it looks like it's more yellowish, orangish.
Okay.
Okay. Huh, interesting. Okay, so you have lentil, you have rice, and then what else?
Yes, and like vegetables, some vegetables.
Do you have falafel?
Yeah,
Is it common to eat falafel in your country?
yeah.
No?
It is general. It is generally taken.
Okay. What are these like sauces? Like, do you see my mouth? Like, look, are these sauces? What are these?
These are various types of fried or vegetables.
Oh, okay. So one person can sit down and eat all of this?
Hmm?
One person sits down to eat all of this for lunch?
Yeah, yeah. Not all of this, but it is cooked not daily. Sometimes,
Oh,
some
and so like,
some. Yeah.
okay. So my question was, what is like traditional, like an everyday food that you eat for lunch?
That is rice, dal, some vegetables, and fish
Lunch.
curry.
What's that last thing that you said?
Uh, that is rice, dal, fish curry.
Fish.
Yeah, fish.
Oh, okay. I thought you were vegetarian.
Oh, no, no, no.
Oh, you're not vegetarian.
Are you vegetarian?
No, but I'm trying to be.
Okay. Bye.
Oh, see you.